Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can change Twitter display name. So first of all, open up your profile page by tapping up the avatar at the top left corner of your display, then profile. In here, if your profile is not set up, instead of edit profile button over here, you'll have the setup profile button. So first of all, you need to set up your profile. After you do that, go into the edit profile page, and in here at the name, simply enter what name you would like for the people to see for you. And save. And as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.